Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I have this 2013 BMW X5 again. Today I'm going to be replacing the air filters, and I'm going to show you the process to replace the air filters on the N63 engine. In this case, we have a BMW X5. The BMW X5, the E70 and the E71, which is the BMW X6, it has a cover on top. So to access the air filter, you have to remove all that, which is all I have right here. See, all these pieces are coming, these bars are coming from that area over there. For the F models, the F01, F02, F07, F10, F15, which is the newer BMW X5, and all those models is easier because the engine bay is like this. There is not much covering the rear area where the air filters go. So to start this process, we have to remove the cover. This engine cover, it is just to pull it from the sides to remove it completely from the engine. All right, with the cover off, the next step will be to disconnect these plugs. In this case, this is in the opposite side, but I want to show you in this one over here. Then you can see the tab over here. You have to press this one and then pull the plug out. You can see this way, and the plug comes out. This is the clip. In this case, this one is in the opposite way. It's really hard to see it, but you have to do the same way to remove it. The plugs are completely removed. We can use this flat screwdriver to remove this clamp over here. This is just to release the clamp so we can remove the air filter housing. All right, after releasing this clamp, we're gonna be using a T25 screwdriver to release these bolts over here. There are a couple bolts. There is one over here, one, another one. There's a third one. There is a fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, and eighth one. So there are in total 8 bolts. So we have to remove 8 bolts from both sides, from that and from here. So both of the covers, they have to be removed because we're gonna be replacing both of the filters. It is pretty similar, the same way. It is just the opposite side. All right, all the bolts are completely removed from both covers. Now the cover can easily be lifted and removed from the hose over here. So you have to like peel it this way. So be careful not to break anything, and it will come out. So you have to just play around with it because it's kind of hard to get it out just like that. But that's how you get it out. See, now it's completely out. See? So. And it gets out. All right, so the cover is out, and I have the air filter right here. This is the air filter. Sometimes it may be stuck, so it looks pretty clean. As you can see, it doesn't look that dirty. So I want to repeat the same process with the other side. Both of the filters were removed. They still look in a good condition, but it's always good. I don't know when was the last time they replaced them. So we have the new filters right here. This is I don't know which one is the left or the right, not sure about that, but there is 2 different part numbers. There is one part number here and the other part number here, so you have to buy 2 always. I was replacing on pairs. Don't replace only one. So I'm pretty sure that this number is going to be good for all BMW's N63 engines. I'm not sure. Just be sure to get the right parts for yours. But I'm pretty sure it will work since they use pretty similar parts. It doesn't matter what type of body you have. The only that varies is the housings on the BMW X5, the E70s, because the housing is a little shorter because of the bars that goes on top. So I'm gonna pull this filter out. Let's see. And we have the filter right here. So looks like this one is going to be for the left, and the other one is going to be for the right. It fits perfectly, as you can see. I always make sure that it fits perfectly. This one is going to be for the right side. I bought these parts at BMW dealer, actually BMW of Ontario, and they were like what, like $50 each. So they're not too expensive. So yeah, see, it fits them perfectly. So after that, we can put the housings. Now I want to install both of the housings. To install the housing, we have to insert this part over here, the one that goes on the hose. Freeze. We have to make its way inside. Both of the housings are back on place, as you can see. All you have to make sure then everything aligns, like the bolts aligns over here and this one aligns over here with the filter. Make sure it doesn't move, because if the thing moves, the filter moves, it can damage something. So just make sure things sit perfectly, and make sure then this one goes all the way in. See, this one, it is in, so make sure then it is like this. So now I'm just gonna tighten all the bolts, then hold the housing on both of the filters, and then I'm gonna put the plug back. This you can put it at any time, but because we need to work on this bolt over here, we need to do it after. So I'm going to tighten all the bolts, and I'm going to tighten the clamp. Both of the housings are on place, are tight. All the bolts are completely tight. Just double check that everything is right, it's supposed to be. The clamp is tight on both sides. That means then the air filter replacement is fully done. All we have to do is reconnect the plugs, the other plug over here. Just reconnect it. Make sure it clicks, because if it doesn't click, it is not fully connected. And install the cover back. And with this, we complete the job of the air filter replacement. And with this, we complete the job on the air filter replacement on the BMW N63 engine. It's going to be similar for all BMW's N63 engine from 2008 up to date. For the newer ones, I'm not sure about the part number, but just make sure to write to get the right parts of your BMW using your big number, because it's very important. So this is pretty easy, as you can see. Check our channel for more videos. So like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.